Hello everyone. Today we'll be demonstrating a new feature, QR code scanner in our Arduino SDK. In this demonstration, we'll showcase how you can scan QR code using the camera on our AMB82 Mini board, returning valuable strings of information. To begin, let's generate a QR code containing text from any QR code generator website. Once you've done that, upload the provided code and we'll dive into the example. Now, press the reset button on the board, and you'll notice some logs appearing on the serial monitor. Watch closely. When a QR code is successfully detected, you'll see a string decoded from it displayed on the serial monitor, along with its length. If you are interested to learn more about this example, you can scan the QR code to access the example guide. You can explore this example yourself by navigating to File, Examples, Ameba QR code scanner. What do you think? Leave your comments below and remember to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications. See you in the next video.